Hello, Chris here with another unboxing for you all. In this video, we are going to take a look at the Khorne Berzerkers from the Codex World Eaters. We have finally gotten an updated version of the Khorne Berzerker, and wow, I know there's been plenty of hype and build-up for these models to be released, and the day has finally arrived. It has finally arrived, and we have the Khorne Berzerkers. And so let's have a look at what we're in store for in this box set. A huge thank you to Games Workshop for sending me a review copy of this box set. And so let's dive in and let's have a look. We are greeted with 10 Citadel miniatures in this box set, which I think is really, really cool. Usually these big boxes, we only end up with 5, right? 5 or 6, something like along those lines. But I'm glad that we got 10, which means that we get a full unit. Of course, for giggle's sake, I mean, they could have went with 8, but whatever. Very, very cool. I'm willing to bet there's not a lot of options, as they all have either chain axe, chain sword, and bolt pistol. I don't really think there's a whole lot of other options available for these models, but who knows? I mean, the Khorne Berzerkers, right? Let's get the trusty rusty blade, have a look, and let's see. Oh, you know what we haven't done in the unboxings in a while? Is the sniff test. We haven't done the sniff test in a while. Take that cellophane off. Man, these guys look fantastic. I may have to dive into a couple of these models just to play around with. So we're greeted with the sprues. We get a nice little booklet. Gives us the rules. Yeah, they get a big axe, swords, pistols, bolt pistols, or plasma pistol and everything. Probably just for the champion. Have a look. Oh yeah, I like the classic. Oh my gosh, look at all the heads. Look at all the heads. Wow, these models are on 32 mil bases. They got the sculpted shoulder pads. Man, these things are just awesome. Berserker champion. Give him a big crazy helmet or a classic looking helmet. Few options really for the helmets. I would have thought pretty static as far as what you can do with them, but no, I dig it. Lots of options, give him the great sword or give him chain sword or axe. Yeah, really, really, really cool. Really straightforward assembly. They don't look like they're too complex with crazy doodads. Comes with transfers. My God, transfers. You can probably see how they kind of shimmer in the light. Let's see if we can get some pretty light going on. Yeah, I think you guys can see that. But lots of transfers in the sheet. Plenty of big ones. Usually whenever they do these larger glyphs on the sheets, usually it's for vehicles and stuff like that. So don't be surprised if we maybe see a vehicle. Who knows? I mean, could be for defilers and regular rhinos, sure, but it's kind of fun to speculate. I don't think you're going to use any of these on the Juggernaut models, but who knows? I mean, maybe they got enough space on their rumps or something like that. Bag of 32 mil bases. We're dealing with 3 sprues. 3 sprues of goodies. Holy moly. The Marines are nice and big and chunky. Oh, look at the size of these chain axes. Look at the backpacks. They have that classic kind of look to them. Oh, man. Very, very, very cool. I don't know if you're going to be able to get a lot of posability out of them, but, I mean, they're all going to be running and, looking like, maniacs, right? So, oh, I like all the heads. Look at all the different heads. That's really cool. And unhelmeted heads. Oh, they're roaring and stuff like that. Yes. Very, very cool. Yeah, it's tempting. It's always with these Chaos models. It's always so tempting. I used to collect Chaos way back in the day. And yeah, sometimes I still feel the pull of the old gods. Love all the options. I'm just amazed at all the different head options and helmets. Wow. Very, very cool. That is the unboxing for the World Eaters from the brand new Codex world eaters. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this one. Feel free to give this a thumbs up if you found this somewhat informative. Big thank you to my patrons. Without your support, these videos would not be possible. If you're considering Patreon support, click the link in the description below. Be taken off to a magical website called Patreon, where there's various tiers of support, and a huge thank you to everybody who does, and for their continued support, and all you brand new ones. Also on YouTube, I have memberships as well. Just click in the link down below if you're watching this on YouTube, which, I mean, pretty much all of you are. Big thank you to everybody who does that. If you're not able to support monetarily, i.e. money, thumbing up the video, liking, following, subscribing, commenting, ringing the bell, all of that helps the channel as well. All it takes is a couple of clicks of a button and you're helping me out a great deal. And a huge thank you to everybody who takes the time to do that. Take care of your brushes, they'll take care of you, and I will see you in the next unboxing. Or useless review. Or painting live stream. Maybe Way of the Brush live stream. Maybe a painting tutorial. Just a tip, fresh tips. Maybe even a battle report. Who knows? In this crazy upside down world, who even knows? Okay, bye.